Welcome to Holiday Tour Maker YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to give you the complete package details for your Ooty honeymoon trip. Ooty, one of the most romantic hill station for the honeymooners in South India, located in Tamil Nadu. The most popular sightseeing places in Ooty. You can visit Tottapeta, Rose Garden, Botanical Garden, Wax Museum, Ooty Lake. Ooty Lake cycling, horse riding, boating, everything is available. Kunnur sightseeing. If you want to go to Kunnur, you can go by train. Mountain train journey. It takes around 1 hour from Ooty to Kunnur. Once you reach Kunnur, you can visit Lambs Rock, Dolphin Nose, Sense Park, Kitty Valley. Other sightseeing places around Ooty. You can visit Paikra, Mudumalai Forest Area, Avalanche Forest Area. These are the main places to explore in Ooty. What type of package you need to select for your honeymoon trip to Ooty? If you are planning from Chennai or from Bangalore, even from Hyderabad, you can go with our bus ticket included honeymoon package. It is more convenient for you and it gives you entire honeymoon package costing from your hometown. If you are planning Ooty trip from any other cities in India, please book your flight ticket or train ticket to Coimbatore. Coimbatore, we have a ready-made package for you. If you are reaching Ooty directly on your own arrangements, we can give you Ooty bus station or railway station pickup drop packages. Or if you are planning to come by your own vehicle, we can give you hotel includes packages. Our special honeymoon package includes pickup drop, accommodation, welcome drink on arrival, breakfast, dinner, candlelight dinner, flower bed arrangements, boating in Ooty Lake, sightseeing. It all includes. We are giving you option to stay in standard hotel, deluxe hotel, premium hotel and superior hotel. If you are selecting standard package or superior package, the includes remain same, only the hotel category changed. How many nights you can plan your Ooty honeymoon trip? Generally 2 nights 3 days it is comfortable, or you can go for 3 nights 4 days. If you don't have a time, plan for 1 night 2 days. We have a package for you 1 night 2 days, 2 nights 3 days, 3 nights 4 days, also 4 nights 5 days. If you are planning to come for 4 nights 5 days, then you can add another destination in your honeymoon trip. You can go for Ooty and Kodaikanal 4 nights 5 days, or you can go for Ooty and Munnar. Also Ooty and Wayanad 4 nights 5 days packages. Other packages you can plan for Ooty 2 nights and 1 night Mysore, also Ooty 2 nights, 1 night Mudumalai. These are the nearest destination you can cover for 3 nights 4 days. Tour itinerary for your honeymoon trip. Arrival at bus station or railway station or airport. We will transfer to hotel. After check-in, have a refreshment, take your own time. Once you are ready, we will take you for sightseeing. Visit Tottapeta Viewpoint, Botanical Garden, Rose Garden, Wax Museum. Later visit Ooty Lake. You can go for boating, cycling, horse riding. All activities are available. You can explore, take your own time. Later return to hotel, have a candlelight dinner. Same day we can arrange you flower bed and honeymoon cake. Second day, morning after breakfast, proceed to Kunnur sightseeing. If you want to include mountain train journey in this trip, please inform our driver. He will take you to Ooty railway station. From counter, you can buy a ticket or you can book it in online in advance. Once you get the ticket, inform our driver. He will go to Kunnur in advanced and he will wait for your arrival at Kunnur railway station. Meanwhile, you can enjoy the mountain train journey to Kunnur. Truly, this journey to remember for a long time in your life. It takes almost 1 hour. Once you reached Kunnur railway station, our cab driver will take you to Kunnur sightseeing. You can visit Sims Park, Lamps Rock, Dolphin Nose, Kunnur, MRC, Kitty Valley Viewpoint. Later, return to hotel after dinner. Stay at your hotel. Third day after breakfast, check out hotel. Today you can visit Paikra waterfalls. En route, you can visit PHP outside viewpoint, Devil's Down, School Valley, Pine Forest, 6th 7 mile tree park, Kamarajar Dam, Paikra waterfalls. Here you can go for boating and enjoy the view. Later return to town. You can go for shopping. After shopping is completed, we will drop you at bus station or railway station or airport. The trip will be ending with a happy memory. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Please feel free to call us if you require any other details. Please subscribe our channel and share to your friends. In coming days, we're going to put more videos, so please stay tuned.